for us to make a beautiful website that when we will send email, when we will contact people, they will search us on internet and they will see first our websites. So we want a website that is very good and that explain well what we do and that give people trust. So this is the first topics, and the second topics is the website that is currently in development, HACE engineering. Developers, they finished 90% of the website, so this is maybe tomorrow it will be done. And as you saw, I don't know if you had time to check the website, to check the deployments. There is few things to update and few things to improve. But in global, this is good, but there is still some things to update, and I will let Camille talk about this later when we will start the subject. So maybe let's start with the first subject, our website, so Nexum website, totally an internal project for our website, and hoping it will be the best website in the world, and everyone will trust us thanks to the website. Do you have any question, or maybe before we start for this? Mm. So we know what we will talk about. Okay, so we definitely know it will not be a website that will give a lot of content. Okay, it's a website that will give trust to people first, not content but trust. So when we will contact people for a specific offer, the website is just here to tell them, okay, we exist and we are serious. And we do this. We are not here for now to give a lot of content. We don't want to give a lot of content for now. So it's more about the design than the content that is shown. I don't know, Camille, if you want to add something.
Yeah, you already said, yes, the main goal of this website is to give trust to our customers with not a lot of contents on the main page, but after we are going to put other page, for example, automation. Um, I don't know if we say that in English, automation.
Yes, yes.
Yes, automation. And another page for another service. We are going to create specific page per services that we offer, just to send the link on, for example, LinkedIn. When we contact someone, you can click on the link and go on this specific page. But the home page, the landing page of Nexum Group will be something that is very simple, that give trust. We want to have something that's look like Devoteam. You know the website of devoteam.com, which is very, very beautiful, and we love that, and we want something like that.
Yes, I will share my screen about this Devoteam website after. But here's the goal, Roxana, is to give trust to people. Okay, just okay. This is very easy to know that they have three offers. In these three offers, okay, why they do this, what it will bring us to our organization, to our company, etc., etc.
And about the content, Roxana, if you have any question, we can give a response. There's no problem. We just want trust in reality. The website, the page is not very complicated. We just want that the items, the different section are well organized. That the design is very comprehensive and thing like that. But it's not very complicated, in fact. We
Exactly.
just want someone that understand the design like you. We spoke already with other people, but they're not very They are not understand well like you the other design that you done by the past. So thank you, thank you a lot,
Yes.
Roxana.
So Rochana, if we are talking to you today, is because we trust you and that we know you will bring us a very beautiful work. And that's why we give you, like, we trust you about our personal website, because this is not a customer website. This website, we invest on us, and we want the website to return on investment. So, do you have any question about the website? Of course, this is not all. I will bring you documentation. I will bring you a logo in SVG with different colors. I will bring you explanation, brand boards, etc. So we are talking like this, but I will send you all the information later on. This is not only about design, because we here today with the Nexum we have three offers. Okay, and website is just one of the
Yeah,
offers.
it was just an example. What
Ah,
she
okay,
said.
okay.
Yeah.
So right, this is let me share my screen and yes.
So sorry.
So this is the example I love because this is a very big company. Okay, this is a very big company, and when you go here in the home page, you directly understand what they are doing. So here you have the navigation bar is extremely easy to understand. Here there are different language selection that we will have. And here, this is something I talk and I talk to Camille every day about this and how I love this. You have four different line, and when you click on it, okay, there is four different hero, okay, with different images, with different titles. So here directly you understand that, okay, Devoteam, so the name of the company, you directly understand that they do AI surveys, they do AI enables workforce, and they do Microsoft 365. So this is something like I love because in directly one view, you understand what they do. And this is very, the design is for me amazing. Okay, for me, the design is amazing. Here you have call to action with services and partners. You have a title, you have a big title, you have here expertise. So if you directly want to know what they do, you can do in expertise. Here you can select what you want. And when you click on AI, so this is one of their offers, this is an AI hero. Okay, so each offers have their own hero. And here, when you go in the page, this is very easy to understand. And this is something that I really like on the Devoteam page. When you read of the page, this is not something very personal of Devoteam. So they will, for example, here, the AI imperative, they will explain something very common. Okay, in 2025, 90% of companies will use generative AI. Okay, so this is not something that is common to Devoteam, but this is specific to Devoteam. This is something that is very common to the world of companies. So this is something I really like. So when I go here, uh, even I don't know Devoteam or etc. I just read this and oh yes, 90% of the companies are will use generative AI in 1995. Maybe I need to do it myself. So this is something I really like, and this is why we don't want to bring a lot of documentation and a lot of things like this because in Devoteam, this is very common. And here, for example, they use a sentence of the head of AI agency of Devoteam. but we can still use a sentence of Bill Gates, or we can use a sentence of Mark Zuckerberg, of any people of the world, of Elon Musk. And